Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling,
Hello everyone, I actually just woke up and my face is all swollen. Like, oh my god. I just brushed my teeth and I saw my face and I have no idea why my eyes are so puffy. Maybe because I slept in. We're working on it. It will be fine after a while. So I'm gonna start off my day by making coffee because I really need that caffeine hit right now. I'm still not awake, so I'll do that first. I wanted to show you guys this coffee machine that I got. I got it from Walmart and it was only $7, so I think that's a deal. It like opens up like this. You just pour water in here and then coffee goes here, and then just like plug this in. I have my water here. Okay, and you just put the cup at the bottom like that, and I'm gonna pour some coffee in here too. So I'm gonna be adding this much coffee to the machine. Oh my god, that is way too much coffee. It's okay. So you just have to close the, and that's it. The coffee is gonna start brewing in a sec. I don't know if you guys can see, but the process has started. Like, look at that. While the coffee is brewing, I'm gonna make myself some breakfast because I am starving. I am back and all refreshed. Please don't mind my hair. I know it looks crazy. They're still wet and I don't want to blow dry it because I've been using a lot of heat lately and I'm just trying to avoid as much as possible. So I'm gonna let them air dry for now because I know I'm gonna be straightening them in a while after they're like fully dry. But I thought till they're getting dry, I am going to clean my room because it's a mess and I don't even know how it gets so messy because I do clean it every 2 days or 3 sometimes, but it looks like it hasn't been cleaned in over a month now, which is not true. So I'll be doing that, and I also need to make a to-do list because I know if I don't make one, I'm gonna be wasting all my time on my phone just scrolling through Instagram or TikTok, and I really don't want to do that. I want to be productive because I wasted half of my day just being in bed and doing nothing. I will do that. I think I can clean my entire room in 20 minutes if I focus, don't get distracted by random things. I don't know, whenever I'm cleaning, I get distracted by the most random thing in the world and I would just like sit there, waste my time, think about it. Oh, and I also got these shorts from Walmart the other day, so I'm gonna see how they look on me. I've been wanting biker shorts for so long now, so I'm really hoping that they look good on me. Look at them. They look so cute. I'm in love. I think I'm gonna wear this now. I'm wearing this for the rest of my day because they're so comfy. They're like not even too tight.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about.
I cleaned up my room and now I am ready. I actually need to grab the equipment for my work. I'm going to start my new job on Monday, so I'm gonna do that right now.
Yeah, walk around like who you? Yeah, just something you get used to.
I'm actually back and I didn't vlog anything when I was gone because I'm awkward in public and I still don't know how to vlog in public. But after I came back, I finished my makeup and I literally took only 10 minutes. Not even. Just because I wanted to film an unboxing with my big box of equipment, and my hair is all dried up, that's why they look a little bit crazy, but we're working with it. I don't want to use heat on my hair right now. I may do it later, but for now we're just gonna work with this. Let me show you my box. That was so weird. So this is my box. It's literally the same size as me if I sit down, and I'm so excited to see what's in here. I think it's upside down, but I don't know what to do now. Two monitors. Oh my god. I don't know why they're so heavy. Hold on. Should keep them aside. Oh god, it's heavy. Oh my god. So that was everything for my equipment unboxing. I may go back to making this day as productive as I can. I still have to make a to-do list, so I'm gonna do that. And I'll probably make a to-do list for tomorrow because today is almost over. It's literally, I don't know, I think it's 6:30. I'm not really sure. Yeah, it is 6:30. So I'm going to make a to-do list for tomorrow so that as soon as I wake up, I know what I need to do. But after making a to-do list, I'm going to start editing a video. It's also an unboxing my ring light. It should be up by the time this video is up, so make sure you check that out first. It will be in the little eye in the corner. For now, I'm also really hungry, so I might grab some snack first. I just cleaned my room. Oh my god. So far, I'm actually feeling really productive because I just filmed a reel. I am filming this YouTube video. My lipstick's like already gone. I'm gonna make like a social media calendar, but I don't want to overwhelm myself with everything because this is just the beginning, and if I'll just plan too much, I wouldn't do anything. So baby steps. And I also need to make a meal plan, so we're gonna do that together and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do, okay? If you guys are wondering where I'm sitting, so this is my bed. And this is actually a spare mattress that I had and I had nowhere to put it, so I'm just using it as my headrest. Okay, so now I'm actually doing my meal plan for the entire week. I have my laptop here, I have my journal, and I was actually looking through some of the Chloe Ting's recipes because she had so many recipes and so much stuff on her website, and it's actually free. So I was actually looking through her website and I found these amazing recipes. So I think what I'm gonna do is just write down all the days divided into 3 sections: breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then write down what I'm gonna make on that day. So if I'm hungry, I'll just look through all the ingredients, so whenever I need to make something, I will just make sure that I have all the ingredients beforehand, so I'm not like running around and grabbing stuff and then I would just end up eating something unhealthy.
I'm so sorry you thought you were sort of small. Lips made my pain. Thought you were sort of small. Lips made my touch. Your thought you were sort of small. Lips made my pain. Thought you were sort of.
My meal planning is done, and now I actually went to the mall last weekend and I have a bunch of stuff that I bought and I wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna do like a little haul to show you all the pieces that I got. So this is the first one. It's just like a plain sweater. It says good vibes on the sleeve and I really love the color, and I got it from Urban Planet. So I think it's the perfect length, not too cropped, not too long. So this is the second top. It's just a regular tank top, not too much, just basic, and I've been wanting something like this for so long. It's from, I think it's from Blue Notes. Yeah, cute. I love this one. Like, it's so cute. It actually looks like one of those statement pieces. I don't own something like this. I only have all the basics and stuff, but this one I haven't took off the price tag yet, but it's so cute. It gives me like the picnic vibes. Yeah, I got this cute white top from Hollister. It was actually really inexpensive and it fits so well. It actually looks good with my shorts, so yeah, I really love it. This next top actually gives me the Rachel from Friends vibes. Like, it's turtleneck and like no sleeves, fits well, so that might be the only reason I got this top, because it's the one that I saw Rachel wore and I wanted one, so I got it. This concludes my haul. I'm not going to lie though, but this is the comfiest sweater ever. I just came out and it's so pretty outside and there's neighbors. Oh my god. It's so pretty outside. I actually want to go for a walk, but I need to make my dinner. It's already 7:30 and I am starving. So I should probably make dinner first, but it's gonna take me an hour or so. And by that time, it's gonna be dark, so I don't think I'll be able to go for a walk. This is something that I should include in my daily routine, like going on a walk. It is so refreshing. I love to go to walks, especially at this time when there's no sunlight and it's not like too hot but also not too cold. It's like the perfect temperature to go for a walk. So now I'm gonna make dinner and I'll see you guys later. There's literally so many people outside, like, and I'm so embarrassed of vlogging in public. I'm gonna go. So this is a little later. I had my dinner and I am going to bed, but before I go to bed I actually need to journal. That is also one of the habits that I want to inherit and make sure that I do that every single night and day, starting my day with making a to-do list and ending it with journaling. Yeah, I think that is it for today's video. If you like it, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you stayed till now, make sure you comment this emoji. Also like this video and comment down below if you want to see any other videos. I will probably make another video of steps on how to stay motivated or how to be motivated when you don't want to do anything or don't feel like doing anything, so that everyone like me who want to do so much, want to be so productive but are not able to just because of procrastination, or maybe not procrastination, just not feeling like doing anything, or just not feeling to get up from the bed and do something even though they want to. So I would love to help you guys. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.